Hi everyone, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified fitness trainer and owner of Vital Fitness Solutions. And today we're going to be talking about how we can incorporate fitness and healthy lifestyles into our busy schedules. It can be challenging finding the time to include an exercise program and healthy diet into our daily lives when we have so much on our plates to begin with. I know it can be tough, but there are some ways that we can still incorporate a healthy lifestyle into our busy lives. As far as nutrition goes, the easiest way to stick to a healthy diet is to know the amount of calories and nutrients you need to lose, gain, or maintain your weight, depending on what your goals are. You can find a free macronutrient calculator by typing it into your search engine. Once you know that, you can start planning meals in advance and meal prep for a few days ahead of time. Knowing what you're going to eat and having the meals and snacks prepared takes a huge burden off your shoulders and leaves you more time to get other things done, like exercise. Now, it's much easier to stick with an exercise routine when you have a plan in place, when you know exactly what you need to get done ahead of time, and when you can fit it into your schedule. It saves us time and makes incorporating fitness into our daily lives much easier. On days you're really strapped for time, you might want to think about waking up a little earlier or packing a gym bag and going straight to the gym from work. Sometimes the back and forth is a little too time consuming on its own. If you can, invest in some home equipment and keep a few things in your car for on the go. Sometimes our schedules are so busy that we don't even have the time to get our full workout in at one time. In those instances, you may want to consider doing short bursts of exercise throughout the day instead. All right, so I hope these tips were helpful. If you still think you might need more help incorporating a fitness program into your life, you can always reach out to me via Instagram or Facebook, and I will make a custom program tailored to you. If you would like me to make another YouTube video on some easy meal prep ideas, please comment meal prep below in the comments. I'll probably still do it anyway, but if you comment, I'll probably just do it faster. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Show me some love by liking and subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.